Right, so here is my Advent wreath. You can see it's got nice little loops all the way around to look like leaves. I had skipped the areas that you see where you see the candles. I also sewed this on each candle, a big loops, so that I'm able to add yarn to create a kind of flame if I want to. So you're able to do that. Everything's sewn on, so it shouldn't be a choking hazard. I personally did not do the back side, but in the pattern you can do that if you want to do that as well. You can still see though where I have the front stitches and we have these loops here. These are the loops you'd go around, slip stitch, then chain 6, and then slip stitch again in the same stitch, and then move on to the next one. And you keep doing that all the way around. That creates this lovely leaf pattern. Yeah, but this is my Advent wreath. Happy Advent!